Okay, Tardy. What did you just tell me? Say it again.
I told you I'll give you $20 when I grow bigger.
For what?
So you could buy some.
No, why are you going to pay me $20?
So you could get gas.
No, but why are you going to pay me $20?
So when you get home.
No, what? What was the deal?
The deal was yes.
No, that wasn't the deal. The deal was if I let you told me if I let you wear those pants, you're going to pay me $20 when you get older.
Yes, I will.
Okay, now back up and let's see your pants. And you want to wear these to the store?
Yes.
Like that.
Yes.
These pants.
Yes. What? What? Do I look like a dork?
A little bit, not gonna lie to you.
I see. Ah.